Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add automatic subtitles using Veed.io. So let's get started. Firstly, sign in to your Veed.io account by clicking the link in the description and upload the video for which you want to add subtitles. You can do this by clicking on the Upload button and selecting your video file from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, click on the Subtitles tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Then select Auto Subtitles from the drop-down menu. Choose the language of your video from the drop-down menu. Veed.io supports multiple languages for automatic subtitle generation. Click on the Generate Subtitles button. Veed.io will automatically transcribe your video's audio and generate subtitles based on the spoken content. Review the generated subtitles to ensure accuracy. You can edit the text, adjust the timing, and make any necessary corrections using the editing tools provided. Customize the appearance of your subtitles by adjusting the font, size, color, and background to match your preferences or branding. Once you're satisfied with the subtitles, preview your video to see how they appear. Then click on the Download button to save your video with the automatic subtitles embedded. That's it! You've successfully added automatic subtitles to your video using Veed.io. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Veed.io for free.